तो आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत अरिथमेटिक एक्सप्रेशनचे कोड और त्याचा अल्गोरिदम. तर आपण पाहूया.
Hi guys, myself Sheikh Mohammad Mosam and I am back with new video on program of arithmetic expression in C. So today I will explain you program with algorithm as well as flowchart. So this is our algorithm. In this we have started with step 1 as start. Step 2, declare the integer variable a, b and c. Then step 3, we have given input that read value of for a and b. Then step 4 as perform addition of a and b. This addition, this step 4, step 6, step 8 and step 10, these 4 steps are same. We have to only perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we have to store the result in C. We are performing the combination of arithmetic expressions, so all these 4 arithmetic expression are organized in one program. So in step 4 we have done addition. Then step 5, display addition, we have given input. Step 6, perform subtraction. Step 7, display subtraction. Step 8, perform multiplication of a and b and store in result C. Step 9, display multiplication. Step 10, perform division of a and b, and step 11, display division, we have given output, and step 12, stop. On basis of this algorithm we will now make a flowchart. Then on this basis I will explain you the flowchart. So guys, this is our flowchart of algorithm. So in algorithm, it was our step 1 was start. So I have made here start in oval box. Then second, declare integer with variable a, b and c. I have written in processing box, means rectangle box. Then we have given input, read the value of a and b. Then I have made in input and output box, means parallelogram box. Then after step 4, our step 4 of algorithm was perform addition of a and b and store the result in C. So this is written in processing box. Then here arithmetic expression C is equal to a plus b. Then display addition, same, perform subtraction in processing box, display subtraction in, we have taking output. So we have written here this display subtraction, display addition, display multiplication and display division in input and output box, and perform multiplication, perform subtraction, addition and division we have written in processing box. And after display division we have written stop in oval box. This is our flowchart of algorithm of arithmetic expression. To now we will go to program. So guys, this is our program of algorithm we have made. So these first 2 lines are main header file. In that it is stdio.h, means standard input output.h, and console input output.h. These 2 are main header file. Standard input output.h gives printf and scanf, and conio.h, which supports the 2 functions clr, scr, clear script and getch. Then after main header file, this is our void main. Void main is declaring the main function. Then we have started with the main body, integer abc, we have given order integer abc, then clear script, then printf, enter the value of a, slash n, then we have given input, enter the value of a slash n, then we have written in double inverted comma, then bracket complete and semicolon. Then after printf we have scan the printf, means scanf %d, then summation of a. Then %d means the value of integer, value of a, %d means value of a, and summation means memory address, means it is address of an memory. So after scanf we are now shifting to printf, enter the value of b. Then after b again we have scanned the printf with %d and com b. then we are writing arithmetic expression c is equal to a plus b, and printf addition of two numbers is equal to %d/n double inverted comma and c. Then we have told here that addition of two numbers will C, the result will C in C. So now after that expression, we have moving to another expression, c is equal to a minus b. Same, printf subtraction of two numbers is equal to %d. Then c is equal to a multiplied by b, c is equal to a divided by, same here it is written. Then after last line, get ch, then opening and closing bracket and semicolon. Get ch is used to give the message end of the program, then end of the body. Now I will compile the program, F9, then see warning 0 0 error 0 0, then press any key. I am pressing enter. Then I am running the program. See, I have run the program. Enter the value of a. I am writing the value of a is equal to 8. Then enter the value of b. I am writing value of b is equal to 6. Then enter. See, our program has been run. I have written addition of two numbers in C. So addition of two number 8 plus 6 14. Subtraction of two number 8 minus 6 2. Multiplication of two number 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. And division of two numbers 8 divided by 6 1. So guys, our program has been run successfully. This program was a combination of arithmetic expression. In this program, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all four arithmetic expression has been used. So guys, I will hope that this program you will understand easily.